Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you something that any business requires, and it doesn't matter what niche you work in, as without it your clients won't be able to find you, buy your product or even get to know you at all. So, what is it? But before it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It is a professional website, in other words, face of your business, your main seller when you're not active. But here is the issue that a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners face when they start working, especially at the beginning of their journey. It is building your own website. As for some of us it may not be an issue if you're a developer, but for most people it is a hard and complicated process that requires a lot of time and money. But what to do if you don't have the time? Answer here would be either spending thousands of dollars on developing your website without any guarantees that your business model would even work, or get to act immediately and try to find another way around. And believe me, there is always other way. So ladies and gentlemen, the website builder. That will be the spark that starts your business and will finally help you understand whether you're a genius businessman or not. But which should you choose? Obviously something so simple that even your grandma would understand. Flexible and easy to scale in the future, and preferably even with a free trial. Okay, let me save your time here. There is not much software like this, and from all the tools that me and my team have ever used, I can definitely tell you that Zoho Sites is one of the easiest and most customizable tools out there. Here you can create your website without a single line of code. Something so simple where you'll need only your imagination and the computer connected to the internet. Its easy drag and drop interface will help you create a professional looking website in less than a day. And then all you have to do is just connect it to the CRM and start selling the same day. It will help you to track leads and optimize your customer interactions immediately. But if you're lazy to create your own look, Zoho Sites has a huge variety of different templates for any niche, and that will help you look professional and, most importantly, help you start immediately. Okay, and now somebody may say, oh, if it's so simple then it may lack customization. No, you're wrong. As it is a part of Zoho ecosystem, it can connect with any tool you can only imagine. If you need custom pages, boom, done. If you want to have forms on your website, easy, Zoho Forms and Zoho Marketing Automation can offer you them. Or you can even connect your website with the CRM, so you'll have all your clients' data at one place. Or maybe somebody would prefer to have stylish blogs there. It is also present here.
Oh, then it won't look good on my mobile phone.
And you're wrong again, as having your website optimized for the mobile version is crucial, and Zoho Sites automatically makes your web page mobile friendly, ensuring your customers have a great experience on any device they're using. So, as I was mentioning earlier, if you want to test or improve your business without waiting and wasting huge amount of money, you can try Zoho Sites for free, and I promise you won't regret it. And later, when you need further customization and integration, our expert team at CRMOZ will help you to grow even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps us to create more free and better quality content for you.